This is a beautiful 1996 Ford Bronco. This is the last year of the Ford Bronco, this version of it, in the old school original SUV design with the fold down tailgate, power rear window, two-door, the ultimate machine right here. This has 112 original miles, 112,000 original miles. Beautiful two-tone paint scheme. It's in excellent shape. Super clean interior. This has the bigger motor, the 5.8 liter fuel injected, of course, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive. Just a stunning example for the last year of the Ford Bronco. Super clean interior. XLT trim. $112,823 original miles. My radio, you can see, is working really good. Look how nice all the buttons are, all the white and everything, super clear. Those always seem to get worn down. A hot day here out in Denver, Colorado. Got the AC going in here, very nice. Got your manual four-wheel drive controls down here. Don't have to worry about any push button four-wheel drive actuators going out. Got a manual pull light right there. Do have power windows. Do have power locks. And like I was talking about earlier, here's your rear window control. Super cool feature. Love that on these. And I love these cloth seats with the kind of multicolored pattern in it. Just screams 1990s. Just too cool. Small little rip there, not too crazy. Rear seat also in really good shape. Dash is in good shape. The XLT, this was the top of the line, just short of, if you opted for the Eddie Bauer, that would have got you the full leather interior. Does have power mirrors as well. You do have wipers, of course. All right, there you have it, folks. Super clean and tidy engine bay, 5.8 liter V8. Engine sounds great. You can see we got the AC compressor engaged over there just like it should be. That compressor was replaced under previous ownership. Very nice sounding engine. This was a Colorado-owned truck. I believe our dealership is the third owner. We bought it from the second owner who had it nearly close to being new. Moving on to the paint and body, I would say overall the truck for 112,000 original miles is probably above average. We're going to go over it here close up. So right here on the front, not a whole lot to pick at. Some small rock chips in here. Nothing too crazy. We have a small little dent right there. But as you can see, overall super clean. Small rock chip, small rock chip. Pretty minor for the most part. Below the headlights, maybe a couple more small little rock chips, but I mean, pretty minor stuff. Really nice chrome wheels with some nice Michelin tires. Tires are in awesome shape. Maybe a small scratch right there in the green portion. Door closes nice. Roof's in good shape. If you're interested in this super clean 112,000 original mile 1996 Ford Bronco, please scroll down to the link in the description. Take you right to our website there. You'll be able to find our full high-resolution photo gallery, including pictures of the undercarriage. You'll also be able to find our asking price. And if you have any more questions or you'd like to make us an offer, please don't hesitate. Give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.